morning children and welcome back to session 2 of chapter 12. It's Heron's formula. Alright, so yesterday we derived the original formula, the first formula that you learned to find the area of triangle. What is area of triangle equal to? Half into base into right. Very good. Corresponding altitude. वो भी सही है. Okay. और Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equal to big square root of semi-perimeter into bracket. Semi-perimeter minus first side into another bracket. Semi-perimeter minus second side into the third formula. Sorry, the third bracket. Semi-perimeter into minus third side. थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. Okay. Now see, I hope you have understood. Yes, sir. One of the boy asked me yesterday, sir, book में तो कुछ ABC दिया है. वो कैसे? No. He was there yesterday. I thought he was here. Okay, and he asked me, sir, in book the formula is little bit different. It's same, but it has been modified. The formula has been made a little bit simpler. We are going to see that. Yesterday, the period got over, so we couldn't see that. So here it is. One more question for you. When shall we use Heron's formula to find the area of triangle? Very good. When the measures of all three sides are given. When the length of all three sides of triangle are, that time we are going to use Heron's formula. Alright? Check. Fine. Here is one triangle. A, B, C. Alright? Area of triangle ABC. Even if you don't put the symbol, three letters are there. That means it's triangle ABC. Writing convenience. Ab karte jao. Area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of semi-perimeter S into semi-perimeter minus first side A into that second bracket what I was talking about. Semi-perimeter minus second side BC and into third bracket semi-perimeter minus third side where S semi-perimeter, that means AB plus BC plus AC. This is perimeter, but if you divide whole by 2, that becomes a semi-perimeter. This is the formula. Alright? Now we'll go for modification. Once again, writing convenience easy. अच्छे करने के लिए, writing convenience के लिए. Alright, we are doing this. चलिए. This is angle A. Which is the side opposite to that? BC. The length of side BC I am going to represent by small a because that is a side opposite to angle A. This is angle B. The side opposite to that I am going to call its length small b because small number alphabets they represent real numbers. So length kuch number hai. This is angle C. Side opposite to that I am going to call its length Very good. So what is AB, BC and CA? Yeah, AC. What is AB? C. What is BC? A. And what is CA? Yeah, AC? B. So what is semi-perimeter? AB. That is C plus BC. That is A plus B whole upon 2. i.e. semi-perimeter S is equal to. You can arrange in order. C plus A plus B can be written as A plus B plus C bar 2. समझ में आई बात? And area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of. बोलो 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 बोलो. S. So S. will have S minus BC. So S minus A. And then you will have S minus AC. So S minus B. उसको ऑर्डर में लिख दो तो S minus A पहले, S minus B next और S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So this is a new version. Formula is same. Okay. लेकिन यहाँ A B B C A C. You have to write 6 letters. यहाँ simply A B और C 3 लेटर ही लिखना पड़ता है. So थोड़ा writing convenience के लिए the formula has been modified. So आपको जो अच्छा लगे, आपको यही अच्छा लगेगा, right? But be careful. What is small a? BC. The side opposite to angle A, that is BC. What is small b? Length of AC, and it is the side opposite to angle B. What is small c? The measure of side AB, which is side opposite to angle C. Clear? Yes. So here is the new version of the same formula, the different form. Okay. Now let's see the sums to find the area of triangle when measures of all 3 sides are given. Are you getting me, children? Yes. Sure? Yes, 100%? Yes. I think we did one sum. कल मजा लुटा था ना, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का एरिया 6 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स और बाय हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला आल्सो 6 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. So now let's see how we can find area of triangle whose measures of all 3 sides are given. मैंने जब तक एक आपको ऊपर से आइए question. Find area of the following. Please find the area of the following. First, triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 10 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay? Okay? Yes. Chaliye. I'll draw the triangle first. Okay, सबसे लंबी साइड कौन सी है? N1. I think ये सबसे लंबी दिखाई दे रही है. उसको मैंने that should be 10. फिर नेक्स्ट लंबी ये दिखाई दे रही है तो BC 8 सेंटीमीटर और AC 6 सेंटीमीटर. Be careful. एंगल C के सामने 10. So that is small c. एंगल A के सामने 8. That is small a. एंगल B के सामने 6. And that is small b. फिगर ड्रॉ किया. A B C है आपके पास. Quickly I'll find out. अरे पहले सभी पैरामीटर ढूंढना पड़ेगा एरिया के लिए. You got A, B and C. But S is not there. So now S is equal to semi-perimeter. What is the formula? A plus B plus C by 2. What is A? What is B? What is C? Whole upon 2. What is the total of 8, 6 and 10? Divide by 2. So that is, so semi-perimeter is. Now what is the formula to find area? Finally, we are ready. We got everything, A, B, C and S that we need in the formula. So I put finally area of ABC, मतलब triangle, that is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. No need to write that because we have already found. Yes, A plus B plus C. Now it's only substitution. Chali, square root of. What is S? 12. It's 12. Now S minus A. So 12 minus A into S minus B. So 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. And into S minus C. So S is 12 and C is 10. 12 minus 10. That is equal to square root of 12 into 4 into 6 into 2. अब स्क्वायर रूट ढूंढने के लिए ये सारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने की जरूरत, सब प्रोडक्ट ही है ना, so it's easy to find its square root. First you obtain the prime factors of 12. पहला नंबर 12. ओके, सर्कल में कर दिया 12. 2 6 2 3 3 1. Next number 4. 2 2 2 1. Next number 6. 2 3 3 1. Next number 2 2. अब देखो स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर निकलने वाला, स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर निकलने वाला, या फिर एक बार फिर लिख दो 2 स्क्वायर, जो भी जोड़ी है, इंटू 2 स्क्वायर, एक और जोड़ी है 2 स्क्वायर, और 3 और 3 स्क्वायर, 2 की 3 जोड़ियां, 3 की 1. बोलो स्क्वायर रूट गया 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 8 3s are 24. That is, you can put the word area, square centimeter. So this is the area. All right, of triangle ABC. So that was the first one. Area of triangle ABC is 24 square centimeter. Clear? Now second one. Second, you have to find area of triangle PQR, where PQ is 4 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, and PR is 8 centimeter. All right? Okay. थोड़ा बड़ा कर दे, है? थोड़ा बड़ा कर दे. 14, 16 और 18. बहुत छोटे नंबर्स, कभी कभी कैलकुलेशन में बड़े नंबर्स भी आएंगे. So let's have that practice. Okay. Which triangle should I draw? PQR. Correct. This is triangle PQR. जरा दिखता हूँ पहले. सबसे बड़ा साइड ये दिखता है 18, 16 ये 14 क्या है P. चिल्ड्रन, ये जरूरत भी नहीं है एक्चुअली. It's not required. Otherwise, sometimes you will put wrong values for wrong side. So what I do? I'll write PQR. Oh, rough figure है ना? बस PQ 14 लिख दिया, QR 16 लिख दिया, और PR 18 सेंटीमीटर. कोई बात नहीं. This is just a rough figure. All right? Okay. लेकिन वो जरा अच्छा दिखता है. सबसे लंबी साइड 18 है तो वो 18 बताते तो अच्छा है. Anyways, now this is QR, side opposite to P. So small p is 60. Angle Q के सामने small q, angle R के सामने small. पहले मुझे सेमी पैरामीटर ढूंढना होगा. So what is semi perimeter? P plus Q plus R whole upon 2. P क्या है? 16, Q 18, R 14 upon 2. This is 30 and 48 upon 2, and that is 24. So what is semi perimeter? 24. So we are ready. We got P, Q, R and S. थोड़ा adjustment करना होगा. Finally, area of PQR is equal to square root of S. नहीं बदलेगा, S नहीं बदलेगा. अब यहाँ S minus स्मॉल p, फिर s माइनस सेकंड ऑर्डर में q, स्मॉल q, और s माइनस. ठीक है, नो नीड टू राइट व्हाट इज s, वो तो हमने ढूंढ लिया है. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर सब्स्टिट्यूशन. दैट इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ क्या है s 24. ठीक है 24, फिर 24 माइनस 16, फिर 24 माइनस 18, फिर 24 माइनस 14. ठीक है. So that is square root of 24. 24 into 8 into 6 into 10. ये 4 नंबर यहाँ से शुरू करना पड़ेगा मुझे। 24 पहला सर्कल कर दिया, पहला वाला बहुत लंबा जा रहा है। This is S minus R. Okay, I'll do it here. First 24. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 8. 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 6 next number. 2 3s are 3 1s are next. 2 5s are 5 next number नहीं है तो 1s are. चलिए अब बी केयरफुल, मैं बाहर निकालूंगा पहली जोड़ी 2 वो बाहर निकल कर आ गई, दूसरी जोड़ी 2 वो भी बाहर निकल कर आ गई, नेक्स्ट जोड़ी 2 वो भी बाहर निकल कर आ गई, और 3 की जोड़ी रुक जाओ कोई बात नहीं 3, और ये 2 और ये 2 बचा, उसकी भी जोड़ी बाहर निकल के आ गई। अब बचा क्या, सिर्फ पाई, वो फंसा क्योंकि उसके पास जोड़ी नहीं है, तो वो रूट में फंस गया। राइट, नाउ दिस इज 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 6s are 48 into root pi. बस that's the area square. Is that clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sab clear. So that's all in this session. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay? Goodbye. Have a nice day.